LAPC Brahmas. Thank you for choosing the CAS Tutoring Center. My name's Dana. I'm from the CAS Help Desk, and today I'm going to show you how to access tutoring on Canvas. First off, you're going to go ahead and sign into Canvas with your student ID and password. Then click on Any Class. From there, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see some red hyperlinks. Click on the one that says LAPC Tutoring. From there, you're going to go ahead and click Get Started. You're going to confirm your school email, then agree to the terms and click Next. From there, make sure you select Los Angeles Pierce College as your campus. Then make sure you click on LAPC CAS Tutoring. From there, you'll be given some options including online tutoring and in-person. Let's start off with in-person. Go ahead and click on in-person tutoring. Then click on the subject that you would like. For this example, we'll use English. You'll see this little pop-up window. Go ahead and click on the blue words from that pop-up window. It will redirect you to the proper schedule. Make sure to read the instructions at the top of the schedule, as these instructions vary by schedule. From there, no appointments needed. You can come visit us at LLC 5130 underneath the LAPC library and ask our front desk for the tutor you're looking for. You can also do online tutoring from this platform. Go ahead and click on Online Tutoring. Then join a subject. You can select a subject from the dropdown or type the subject name. Once you have your subject, click on it, then pick Next. From there, you're going to click Check In Now with the appropriate subject. Feel free to type anything in the topic assignments or problems box, but you can leave it blank and just click Check In. And now you're on the wait list. Make sure not to close the tab. Instead, just wait until it's your turn. You can see how many people are ahead of you, and if a tutor is busy with a student, they'll send you a chat message in the top right corner. They can send you an estimated time. For example, it will look like this if there's another student and the tutor will be with you in 5, 10, 15 minutes, depending on how long the session takes. Once it's your turn, you're going to get an invitation to join the tutor on Zoom. You can click on Open in Zoom, and from there, you'll be redirected. Thank you so much, Brahmas. If you have any questions, feel free to email, call, or text us. You can also visit us on the LAPC CAS webpage. Thank you so much, Brahmas, and thank you for choosing the Center for Academic Success.